Imagine pouring hours into a side hustle, only to find it draining your energy instead of boosting your income. Many busy fathers jump in, thinking they're investing in their future. But what if it's all a mirage? The truth is, there's a hidden cost to these pursuits. You'd think that hustling harder would lead to better results, right? But research shows that overworking can actually lead to burnout. What if the solution isn't more hours, but smarter strategies? It's about finding the right balance, not just grinding away. Most busy professionals overlook a crucial element in their hustle. It's not just about effort, it's about leveraging the right tools. Have you considered how much time you spend on the wrong tasks? There's a smarter way, but it's often hidden in plain sight. Many side hustles fail because they don't utilize a simple yet powerful platform, your own profile. Imagine if your profile could not just showcase your work, but also connect you with opportunities. What if it's the key to unlocking your true potential? What if your daily grind could be transformed with a few adjustments? You might be surprised at how simple shifts in strategy can lead to exponential growth. But figuring out those shifts is where it gets tricky, isn't it? There's a deeper layer to explore. I've broken down the entire process and the missing pieces over on my profile. If you're serious about turning your side hustle into something sustainable, you'll want to check it out. The answers you seek are just a visit away.